In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address. If you've blocked someone in Gmail and their messages no longer arrive in your inbox, this method lets you restore them from one central place. It's especially handy if you've deleted their previous emails or want to review and unblock multiple people at once. We'll do this entirely from Gmail settings on a computer for the clearest view. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. In the top right corner, you'll see the gear-shaped settings icon. Click that, then choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings dashboard, which gives you access to every preference and filter, not just the quick options. Along the top of the settings page, you'll find a row of tabs. Click the one labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This tab holds two key areas, your custom filters near the top and your block list farther down. We're focused on the block list today. Now scroll until you reach the section titled The Following Email Addresses Are Blocked. This is the complete list of addresses you've blocked in Gmail. If you're managing a long list, a quick tip is to use your browser's Find tool to search for a specific address by typing Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. When you locate the address you want to restore, look to the right side of that row and click Unblock. Gmail will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you want to proceed. Click Unblock again to confirm. That's it, the address is now unblocked. Future messages from that sender will no longer be automatically sent to spam or muted. They'll flow into your inbox like normal unless you have another filter that redirects them. If you need to unblock multiple people, repeat the same action for each address in the list, clicking Unblock and confirming in the pop-up each time. Taking a moment to scan the entire list is a good practice, especially if you're troubleshooting missing emails and aren't sure who might have been blocked in the past. A couple of notes for clarity. Unblocking affects messages going forward. It doesn't move any older emails out of spam or other labels automatically. Also, if you use additional filters, those rules still apply. So if a sender remains redirected after unblocking, check your filters at the top of the same page. Once you're done, you can simply close the Settings tab or return to your inbox. And that's how to manage and unblock email addresses directly from Gmail settings.